Welcome back to my channel. My name's Jeannie D and this is Primed for Beauty. I just got something special in the mail today and I thought that I would share it with you. We can go through it together. It's been a long time, you know, with the delays and things in shipping. I have been waiting and waiting for this box, and so I don't even kind of remember what's in here. So we're gonna dig into it together. First thing is, oh, I don't know. Well, this is packing. Okay, what? Oh, ooh, I forgot that I got this. This is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. I use this at night. This is one of my nighttime routines and I was running low. Thank you, Ulta. Oh, it's like crisp. Let's see what else. Oh, we got some more packing. Oh, this stuff's good. This is the number 7. This is number 7 booster serum. This stuff's great, and I'm almost out. I have some here. This is what's left. This is what you put on. It's got these little rollers, and you put it on around your eyes. Oh, this stuff is great, and I was running low. And I remember when I bought this, they were having like a half off sale, so I think there's probably 2 in this box. So that's great. That's really exciting. Let me see. Did they give me 2? Where's the second one? What's this? Oh, well, this is a little tweezers. Who doesn't need a little tweezers? That's with a mirrored case. That's awesome. Oh, this is fun. This is something we're gonna do on a video together. Who has heard of these Ardell magnetic lashes? It's got like a magnetic gel liner. You put it on and then the lashes like stick like a magnet. That's going to be a fun video. We're going to do that together. That'll be fun. What did I get? Oh, Wispies. I've been trying to grow my eyelashes, but sometimes you just need a little extra, and I am no good with the false eyelashes. I've tried. Oh, here's the second. So that should last me a while. When I started using that, I had a lot of really lines in there around my eyes, and now it's looking pretty good. So I recommend that stuff. That's good. It's kind of pricey, so you got to get it when it's on sale. What is this? Oh, little Real Techniques beauty blenders. I've been using these little Jeffree Star ones, and they're really great around the eyes. But these ones, after you've had them for so long, they start to break down. So I got some new ones. So excited. Okay. Let's see what else we got. Oh, this is the Murad Hydration AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser for smoother, younger skin by Murad. I think this is actually my daughter Rachel's. We were sitting together while we were shopping. Who misses shopping? I miss shopping. But you can go window shop at Ulta. Just be careful what you put in your cart, especially if they're having a sale. So here's what that looks like. Hydration cleaner. I know she'll be really happy because she saw this box come today and she's like, "Oh, my cleanser." And I'm like, "Wait, I gotta show my friends at Primed for Beauty. I gotta show my friends first, and then you can have your things." What else is in here? Oh, I thought I was supposed to get some samples. You know, sometimes Ulta doesn't remember to put your samples in there. Or maybe that's Sephora. Oh, this is It Cosmetics Starry Eyed Brush Trio. These are great. I have a set of these already. They're really nice eyeshadow brushes, and they were on, I think they were like half price on the Ulta website. And It Cosmetics makes some really great brushes. These ones are really pretty. They have like little blue sparkles. Hold it up. The little blue sparkles in there. And the brushes are really nice. They're like, this is a nice little, like under the eye smudging brush. Little fluffy brush. These are great. Put those right, where's my brushes? I put those right in my brush cup. Use them tomorrow. And I think there's one more thing in here. Oh, this is for my daughter's boyfriend, but I use Wen in my hair still. I know that's like been like probably 10-15 years since I've used Wen. I've been using Wen, and I have never had an issue with it. My daughter's boyfriend likes this. He has really good luck with it. He has super curly hair, and he's been using it for a while, and he really likes it. He was running low, and like I said earlier, Rachel was with me while we were ordering, so I got this kit. He just wanted the cleansing conditioner and the cream conditioner, and then like the original cleanser, and it came in a kit. And so I thought I'll just keep this light defining gel for myself, because, you know, it was hard work doing all that ordering, and so I deserve a treat. So I'm gonna keep this one for myself, and then just give him the cleansing conditioner. He won't know. So I think that might be it. So that was fun. Thanks for stopping by and taking a look at some of the things that I ordered from Ulta. I hope that you enjoyed coming along and seeing what I bought on my shopping trip. So on a future video in Primed for Beauty, we're going to play with these magnetic lashes, and that'll be a lot of fun. It could turn out really great, and it could be a disaster, but I wanted to try these, and I'll wait to try them with you. So before you leave my channel, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below so that I can know that you're here. And tell me, what are some of the things that you like to pick up when you shop online at Ulta? And thanks for stopping by. I hope you had a fun time, and we'll see you again real soon on Primed for Beauty. Bye.